Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a photo as a wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to open this menu. Then at the bottom we have wallpapers over here, so let's go there. And then we can choose My Photos. Then of course we need to grant access. So let's go Allow All. And then one more time. And now we should be able to select a photo from our folders. So in this case I have camera, so I'm gonna go over here and then you can select your photo. There we go. Now of course we have some options that we can choose. We have animate, where we can zoom, we can sway, we can ripple, and so on and so forth. We can also stylize, so we can apply some effects. And if you want to, we can also go to others in order to create a blur or change the brightness. Over here we have the slider. And after that we can tap set, and then we can choose if we want to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or for both. So I'm gonna choose home screen, and that should be it. Wallpaper set successfully. So now if I go back, there we go. I have now my own photo set as a wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.